So, let's view some new options settings in SOLIDWORKS 2024 that will accelerate and enhance your user experience. First, if you are displaying your components in wireframe view or presenting your components colors in HLR/HLV mode, you can now use your GPU hardware to improve the display of silhouette edges. To enable this option, we can open our options menu, and on the System Options tab, we can select Performance. Finally, at the bottom of the page, we can activate the Hardware Accelerated Silhouette Edges. This option will help you accelerate the displaying performance of your models. Another great feature added to SOLIDWORKS 2024 is that now you can select which coordinate system to use as your origin when saving an assembly or a part as a step file. To do this, we will open the Save As dialog box and select the step file type. You can notice that a new drop-down menu has appeared where we can select which coordinate system to use as the origin for this new saved part.